This isn't our first time handling the X9R. 2 months ago, OLight Australia gave us the X9R prototype to gauge our thoughts. They touted the X9R as OLight's biggest and brightest flashlight. With our prototype video receiving almost 300 comments and 125 likes, it was clear to us that our IQers were excited. Today is the day that we finally bring you the X9R in all its glory. With almost weekly messages asking us if we know the release date, this has certainly been a much anticipated flashlight. If you're not familiar with the X9R, this is OLight's mega flashlight offering with 25,000 lumens of output. Weighing in at 1.8 kilos or 4 pounds, this isn't for the faint-hearted. Though OLight has thoughtfully included a shoulder strap in the box, which allows for a much more comfortable carry. The design is well thought out. With a rocket ship-esque body, the aesthetics are quite pleasing. The machining and anodization are perfect with no flaws or sharp edges. This is impressive when you consider the level of detail that OLight has gone to with the X9R. Though perhaps this is to be expected from a flashlight costing 5 times as much as a regular flashlight. The X9R reminds me of a Chris Reeve Sebenza, a popular grill knife amongst pocket knife collectors. If you look at the finer details of a Chris Reeve Sebenza, you can appreciate its tight tolerances and attention to detail. The X9R is much the same. The closer you look, the more you will discover. Though with all this being said, one question still remains. Why not just buy the Imland DX80, which is not only cheaper, but brighter at 32,000 lumens? Well, the simple answer is, maybe you should. The DX80 has its own innovations and higher output. Though if you're the sort of person who carries a Sebenza and wears a mechanical watch, then maybe you would appreciate the quality and detail of the X9R more. Putting the X9R side by side with the DX80, the X9R appears to be brighter. Though this is likely as a result of the much larger and deeper reflectors, allowing the X9R to throw further. When you spend this much dough on a flashlight, you would expect an equally robust carrying case, which is exactly what OLight has included with their waterproof, dustproof and shockproof X9R carrying case. Upon opening the case, you find a 2 amp wall charger, 1.5 amp car charger, shoulder strap, anti-roll ring, instruction manual, and the X9R. All the accessories in the X9R are neatly laid out in laser cut foam. This is certainly a nice inclusion by OLight. Charging the battery is as simple as connecting the included power pack, with the battery indicator showing the charge progress. OLight has also indicated that spare batteries will be made available in the future. Simply put, the interface is what we know and love from OLight, with shortcuts to the turbo, low and strobe modes. Improving on the classic OLight interface, OLight has gone one step further by providing an innovative dashboard showing both the output and battery levels. The X9R also includes proximity sensors, which will automatically dim the flashlight when it's close to a nearby object. The X9R includes 8 light modes and 1 flashing mode. This includes Mode 1 at 200 lumens, Mode 2 at 400 lumens, Mode 3 at 800 lumens, Mode 4 at 1600 lumens, Mode 5 at 3200 lumens, Mode 6 at 6400 lumens, Mode 7 at 12,800 lumens, and finally Mode 8 at 25,000 lumens. The X9R will also step down on both of its highest modes, including 10 minutes for Mode 7 and 3 minutes for Mode 8. To switch on the X9R, press the side button once. This will switch on the flashlight in the previously selected mode. Pressing the side button again will switch off the flashlight. To cycle through the 8 light modes, press and hold the side button while the flashlight is on. Pressing and holding the side button from off will access the lowest mode, while double tapping the side button from either on or off will access the turbo mode. The X9R also features a lockout mode, which can be accessed by holding the side button for more than 2 seconds from off. The X9R is really something special, from its 25,000 lumens of output to its sleek lines and user interface. The X9R appears to be a solid option for both professional operators and enthusiasts alike. A huge thank you to OLight Australia for allowing us to evaluate their new X9R. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to our channel. You can also follow us on Instagram or Facebook. Once again, thank you for watching Outdoors IQ.